Welcome to the University of Pretoria. Thanks for choosing UP. The Faculty of Health Sciences is one of the largest, most diverse, and most comprehensive of its kind in South Africa. The faculty is at the University of Pretoria's Prince of Campus, which is a dedicated state-of-the-art campus with some of the best infrastructure, laboratories, libraries, and also research facilities. So if you choose a program in the Faculty of Health Sciences at the University of Pretoria, you'll earn an excellent degree of high quality that is internationally recognized and accredited by all relevant regulatory bodies. Our commitment to high quality teaching and learning, research and community engagement is how we shape the minds who will have a positive impact on our health system and shape the global health agenda. You will, at the Faculty of Health Sciences, be given the support that you need to graduate on time as an innovative thinker and a health professional who's able to use your knowledge and skills in ways that will prepare you for the world beyond university to make a significant contribution and an impact on your patients' lives and also an impact on society. We make today matter by making positive actions today and striving for excellence. To us, kindness and compassion are non-negotiable and are key cornerstones of everything that we do at the faculty. These values and our commitment to excellence are what make our healthcare professionals some of the best in the world. So choose the Faculty of Health Sciences as your home if you would like to join a world-class team of health professionals who are using their skills and talent in serving humanity with dignity, compassion, and excellence. So choose UP. Join our exceptional health science family. We hope to see you next year.